Hello, everyone. Welcome to another edition of Phantom of Haunted Hill. I'm your Phantom Mike. Well, I got a hell of a video today. I got a lot of stuff to show you. But first, you will share this with me. My package I received a little bit ago from Backwoods Butcher Records. I recently got some stuff. Got some erectile dementia. This is some killer grind. This one is Compendium of Obscenities. Here's the back. It reminds me of those dancing skeletons from like the old cartoons. So, hey, let's check it out here. You're checking it out with me, but we're going to try to do this quick because I got a lot going on here. So we got that. We open it up there. We have, and it tells you the Festering Future Endeavors EP, some previously unreleased stuff. And it tells you about where each song's from. It's split with Waj and Spastic Amoebas. So it's like a, just a bunch of their, it's like a compilation, obviously. So we'll put that nice back in there. Tried to do this quick. Now I only got that one, but then I received this as well. Erectile dementia. Here's the back. Fuck your brain. And so this one is called Slaughterography. So maybe shit. It's a Mexican jumping CD. So maybe these two go together. I don't know. All I know is I love erectile dementia, and it was in my price range, cheap. Also, what I got was I got this on vinyl, the brand new Spastic Amoebas. This is the vinyl. So here we got the back. There's the record. I have not even. This is the first you're watching me open it. Yes, indeed. Look, I'm opening it. Daddy, thank you, Daddy. Thank you. I always wanted this. Okay, so here's the back. This is the back of the record. This was just released. Backwoods Butcher Records. Well, let's take this out and see if there's anything inside. Oh, there is. Anyway, so we open up where the record actually goes into the sleeve here. Shit. There's all kinds of goodies in this package. Oh man, we got a Spastic Amoebas poster. Look at that. What's this? Well, it's the lyrics on this side. And then look at this. It's like today's youth. Then we got some stickers, Backwoods Butcher Records. And the Spastic Amoebas. That's very cool. So let's see, is this a colored vinyl? It is. It is, look, it's orange with little gray or green. Can you see the green in there? It's just like little splotches. like a mouse ran through the record plant and stepped on them and got a little footprint on them. I don't know. So that's cool. Well, actually, that's not orange. It's yellow, like golden. What do you guys think? Maybe it depends how I tilt it. Maybe it's a magical color. I don't know, but there you go, man. That's my new package for today, and that took way too long. Shit, now everything's falling. And I also got this pin for erectile dementia, which, I don't know if you can see, which is also like the sticker. It's a penis with bat wings. Then we got Spastic Amoebas again. Hey, look at, you can see slowly Spastic Amoebas. And then some paperwork here for some older releases. And a telekinetic decapitation sticker. I love that band too. They're really great. So there we go. Okay. Now, what this video was originally just going to be was just a portion of some of my reading material, comic books, magazines, because I got some doozies that you die-hard horror maniacs will love. And I look blurry again. Am I blurry, or is my glasses just dirty? My glasses are probably fingered up. All right, so just well, here's something that started off: A Human's Guide to Nightbreed. Used to get this at the video store when you'd go to pick up your VHS selection. And yeah, we got the characters in the movie and descriptions about them. There's Clive Barker, the man himself. My #1 favorite horror writer. If you have not read any of the books of blood, you're missing out. You're missing out on some of the greatest horror. The Damnation Game's another great story. And then Clive slowly went into fantasy, but okay. That's him. Here's something I got not too long ago at a horror thing. Murder Can Be Fun. Remember this fanzine back in the early 90s? Yes, he started to redo it again. This special issue is death at Disneyland, all kinds of stories. And there's other stories of the Denture murder case. The writing in here is really great. It's excellent writing. And he adds humor in certain parts, like some of the more ridiculous deaths and murders. Here, let me see if I put this light on. Does that help? Does that help? Hey, hey. All right. So I got a lot here. Maybe I won't show everything because I do have more that I was going to save for another video. Here's a fanzine, Blood Video. I think I wrote for this. I think there's some of my writing in some of these issues here. It's issue 2, Blood Video. This was a great little zine. This is issue 3. I'll just show you what we got here. Like, got interviews. Duncan Jarman. He's a makeup artist for the movie Bad Karma. So yeah, the Grave Rot Experience. There's that Bad Karma. So as you can see, it's a pretty cool little zine. And yeah, I haven't looked at any of these in a long time. That's why I don't even remember if I wrote for it or not. I might have, and here's the last issue I have, number 4. Good cover, huh? Okay. Now, I've got 2 of these. Maybe I should give one away sometime. Evil Speak. And I have a bunch of, I don't know, they might be in there. Are they? I don't know. We'll find out. We'll find out what I pulled to keep to show you for this video. This here is just a small Euro horror issue, kind of to tide you over in between issues. It's got really great stuff. I Want Your Skull, a diabolical double feature. What else is in here? The Iron Rose. So it's here we got Orloff, the Invisible Dead. Dr. Orloff. And then look at that. We got Angus Scrim, the tall man from Phantasm, and Mortician. I almost bought a Mortician vinyl the other day, but it was $50. And I actually toyed with buying it, but I didn't. Probably a good thing for my pocketbook. So here we go. Every true horror fan from back in the day will always hold in their hearts, at least I do, and many people I know, Chaz Ballin. Here is a fiction story he wrote, Red Ink. Actually, this isn't the fiction story. The other one I'm going to show you is, this has like Reanimator. And just filled with Chad's love of real horror. It's very important to me in my life, I'll tell you that. Here's his book of fiction, Director's Cut. So yeah, it's just words and stuff. Okay. Now for a little bit of my comics. I used to have all of these issues, every one of them. What the hell happened? Dead World. Remember Dead World? What a great comic, man. Of course, Vincent Locke did the artwork. You know, from Cannibal Corpse's albums. Here's another one I used to have every issue of, Gore Shriek. Another awesome masterpiece horror comic. And in the essence of time, I'm not going to go showing you stuff in there. All right, this real quickly here. My friend Sean, he used to do a fanzine back in the day called Blackest Heart. Me and him used to trade issues. I did Blood Feast Incorporated. I might have a couple in there. So he's got a new comic book company out now called Ibon Press. And he's done a bunch of Luccio Fulchi comics, the William Lustig Maniac. So here's some of the comics I have. House by the Cemetery. He did a lot of Luccio Fulci film adaptations. Here's another House by the Cemetery with Dr. Freudstein right there. Then we go. I'm running out of room. Then we have The Gates of Hell, aka City of the Living Dead. So I think I've got every issue. Maybe were they only 2 issues? I don't remember. I don't remember. Then one of my all-time #1 favorite horror films. Well, this is my #1 favorite horror film, tied with Joe D'Amato's Beyond the Darkness. Luccio Fulci's Zombie. I think I got all these. It's issue #2. And these came with cards, like collecting cards and stickers and all kinds of things. One of these, hopefully I'll be able to feel it. Actually, I may not even have opened it. One of these has a record. And here it is. It's this one. What issue is this? This is issue 4. Here's issue 4. Sorry about that stupid glare, folks. This one came with not only the, stuff, bookmarks and things like that, came with the little record of Fabio Frizzi's theme. And I think, I don't even think I opened this before either. As you can see, I'm a diehard collector. Actually, after a while, I started noticing fingerprints, so I no longer open these. I'm going to start having to buy 2 issues, one I could finger up and read, and the others to collect. So yeah, check this record out. Side 1, Fabio Frizzi's zombie theme. And here's side 2. This is the 2017 version. Sorry, I was trying to read. I didn't know if I was showing you correctly. Arranged, performed, and produced by Ryan Franks is side 2. So yeah, man. Ibound Press rules. And I don't, because I make a mess of every damn thing. All right, we're going to have to try to put everything back together normally here. All right, and then we go, I also have the Beyond. Ibon Press has put out the Beyond. Look at that awesome artwork, huh? And I've seen these, even the Maniac one. It was only out for like a month, and somebody already had it up at the horror convention, skyrocketed in price. I told Sean about it too. So there you go. Okay, well, I think we will cut this video. Here's a poster too that came with one of those comics from Ibound Press. Okay, here's something that I had to get. It was in 2020, so I need a new one, but it's a Luccio Fulchi calendar. How awesome is that? Look. Awesome. Look. Here's February. Nightmare Concert. Schizoid. House by the Cemetery. Zombie. Just like in the movie. Of course, the New York Ripper. Classic. And we got the Black Cat and another zombie at the Gates of Hell. So yeah, there we go, huh? That's pretty cool. All right, well, here's some issues of my old fanzine I used to put out back in the 90s. Well, actually, This is just one of them. I did see a couple. They're probably in this mess over here. I'll show you more of these when you come across them. That'll be another video. Remember Wild Rag, the Wild Rags Records? This is when metal was real. Instead of the crap it is, you know, they had Liege Lord in here, like Mortal Sin. Hex. And this issue is falling apart. Here's Annihilator. A different Annihilator, not the Alice in Hell Canadian band. Okay. There's some cool stuff I have. Horror of Party Beach. Look at this. Since I'm cutting this video short, we can take a couple seconds just to show you how cool this magazine is. Look at this. So instead of watching the movie, you could read the movie. Here's the Hot Girls on the Beach. Woohoo! Swing! Rock me, baby. Rock me. Yes, indeed. Look, they're getting attacked by the monster. Man, what a great magazine. I paid $10 for this. You would think it would be going for more, but all right. Okay, we just brought up Chaz Ballin. Here we go, man. This deep red anniversary issue, what does it say, 15th? Look, right there, you see it's nothing but perfection of horror. So we got, of course, the usual reviews. Texas Chainsaw. Return of the Living Dead. So there's that one. And then I have almost the entire Deep Red collection. The only one I need is issue 7. So here we have issue number 1. That was the first one. I remember going to the collector's store, Collector's Warehouse. And me and my friend Dwayne, we'd spend all of our money, half of our money. There was some, the rest was for beer and pot. But we'd go there and buy every horror comic, every horror magazine. That's how we got Slaughterhouse. Remember that magazine? And Toxic Horror and all kinds of stuff, man. That Collector's Warehouse ruled. They had old issues of Figment's Monsters, Castle of Frankenstein. Okay, here's Deep Red number 2. Number 3. A little bit of Tom Savini's work there. 4. Started getting into more regular paper covers. And then this one, number 6. The only one I need is number 7. Anyone's got an extra one, let me know. All right. Let's see here. There, all these are going to fall. I know it. That's what floors are for. All right, we'll show just a few more things and cut it quits here. Gore Zone, remember Gore Zone? The magazine that Fangoria put out, that was way better than Fangoria. because it dealt with more European, you know, type gorier films, like that Basket Case. Well, Basket Case 2. I had all of these issues. This is all that I have now. I had the most incredible horror collection, and I'm so upset. Okay, then they started, after Gore Zone, they stopped doing it. I don't know how long ago. Less than 10 years ago, they started doing Gore Zone again. This was issue number 1 of the new series. So then we got, then they started going to higher numbers, I guess. This one is 28. $29. 30. You can see that when they started to redo it again, that I got all the ones. And 31, which has guinea pig in it. You've seen the guinea pig films from Japan. You know, this one's not in plastic for sure. Here we got the Splatter Hall of Fame. What movie is that? Voyage to Agitus. I never even heard of that. Chris Alexander wrote that. See that there? And Danielle Harris, the girl from Halloween 4. Look what she grew up to be. I wish I was married to her. Oh, I'm telling you. Here we have Tom Savini's Effects Lab. Speaking of that ultra goddess, Danielle Harris again. Trying to get that glare out of there for you guys, for all the gentlemen out there. Okay, and Tim Lucas wrote for it. Tales from the Attic. Shining a light on the dark side. We got an article here on Tales from the Dark Side. So yeah, awesome, huh? And that's it. I don't want to make this too long, but I got some really incredible stuff in here. We'll save that for the next video. How's that? Well, sounds good. So thanks. Hope you guys enjoyed. Saw some things you thought were cool. Give this video a like, hit the subscribe button, and tell your friends. We're getting close to 40 videos here. We only have 16 subscribers. I mean, I know my videos ain't that great, but at least I have cool stuff to show and talk about. All right. Well, thanks again, folks. This is the Phantom, and we'll see you next time.